Hi, DJ Rap here. Let's talk about operator part 3 in under a minute.
So let's try and apply a little bit of distortion to this using the shaper. First thing I want to do is decide what kind of distortion I want to apply. I'm going to put it on hard. My dry wet is set to 100%, and let's increase the shaper drive amount. Good. We also have expression controls, and expression controls are things you can change based on the way you play your MIDI instrument. For example, the velocity pitch on your keyboard, there's a mod wheel, and these can all be expression controls. Your mod wheel is usually set to control vibrato, but you can use it to control something else. Nearly all MIDI instruments have expression controls. If we go back to analog, the filter envelope can be affected by the velocity of the notes we play, envelope velocity. These are expression controls, and generally, when you see the word key written next to a parameter, that means that whatever note you play will modulate that parameter.